BML-740 direct drive 4-needle 6-thread feet-off-the-arm flat-seaming sewing machine. This model adopts independent design and integrated electronic control structure. The real fully sealed case. The improved cylinder bed greatly increases the operating space and the smooth and free conveying of large area sewing materials. The electric control operation panel is embedded in the base, which is beautiful and safe space. Digital adjustment of electric control parameters, simple operation. The integrated direct drive small servo motor has the advantages of faster start, low vibration, and light sound. The maximum speed can reach 4,000 minutes, which is efficient and sensitive. Presser foot lifting is controlled by stepping motor. Presser foot height up to 10 mm, faster response and more accurate distance. The spraying plate type pressure structure and flat seam thin materials of underclothes, high elastic fabrics, and two fabrics mix place easily. Short recessed bed design with a circumference of 150 mm and a diameter of 70 mm. Is more convenient for sewing small caliber knitted fabrics. The optical eyes ensures the rapid and accurate action coordination of all components. The trimming mechanism is guided by step guide rail, which is smooth without clearance. The trimmer is made of imported material, which makes the cutting fast, stable, and more silent. The standard pneumatic fabric with the suction device has strong suction and creates a clean sewing environment. The automatic spraying device of the threading cam is convenient for threading and effectively solves the problem of winding. Top-bottom feeding structure. The main gear and differential gear can be easily adjusted, effectively solve the problem of wrinkling and pleating. Suitable for all kinds of thick, light, and elastic fabrics. Broken thread protection switch to prevent cam strand. High-strength nano-plated needle bar makes the machine more wear-resistant and durable. It is applicable to the sewing process of underwear, sportswear, tights, and fleece. Unique high-elastic and high-strength fast seaming effect. Straight, dynamic, and beautiful stitches.